Hi, and thank you for allowing us to send you this video. I'm going to be showing you a few tips on how by improving your website you can outrun your competition, improve your online presence, and of course, get more clients. So let's start here with your website over here. And um, one of the things that I can recommend right off the bat is to add more content in not just images, but more wording. So if you are more wording, it has to be original. It has to include the keywords that you want to be found for. And if I go to Google, for example, and I do a search for HVAC Woodbridge, New Jersey, you're gonna see here the first section. Of course, this is sponsored by Google. You pay to be here. Then you have your Google ads, traditional Google ads that you pay every time somebody clicks on it. And we have the map section, and you're ranking number one over here. And next we have the organic result, which is number one. Yelp is a big directory. There's another company, number two, Home Advisor, number three, and you ranking number four, which is not bad. But if I do something more broad, for example, HVAC, NJ, you could be right here. And because this specific keyword, for example, is one of the main that has more volume. And for the purpose of the video, I'm going to be showing you why you're not ranking here. And these guys, for example, Edison HVAC are ranking number one. If we look on their website, you can see that they have a little more of content, and that's helping them to rank in that number one position. Um, Compared to you, you don't have that much, but still, I mean, if we look on the back end of your website, you can see that you're being found for 236 keywords. This is bringing you 169 visits a month to your website, and you have over 700 backlinks. Now, backlinks are other sites that are mentioned in your website and will give you power so you can be found more easily on the organic results. And not all backlinks are created equal, so you can have hundreds and hundreds of backlinks, but if they're not powerful, if they're not relevant, and most important, if they're not targeting the keywords that you want to be found for, it's going to be completely useless. So if we look at the keywords that you're being found for example, relevant keywords, for example, you don't have that much, but for example, this one, here in repair Woodbridge NJ, there's an average of 90 searches a month. And right here, you can see that you're only getting 5 visits for this search, and you're ranking on the seventh position on the first page. Not too much over here, not too much of any changes. HVAC, Woodbridge, of course. You start ranking at number four. You just climbed 2 spots from since last month. There's an average of 40 searches a month. But this is something you can be familiar with. Same thing here in Woodbridge, there's only 10 searches a month, and you're still ranking number four for that. But if you would want to expand your coverage, for example, this might be a good example, just this specific keyword. And for the purpose of the video, again, we can check how your competition is doing against you. You can see that, for example, HVAC NJ has a volume on 100 searches a month, and it's pretty difficult to find. That means that it will take a little bit of time if you will be running a marketing campaign. So you can start ranking for this keyword. But another one, HVAC contractors in New Jersey, 250 searches. You can take advantage of these searches and start ranking for those. But let's take a look on what I believe might be your main competition. And I want to be showing you the difference right here. They have over 8,000 backlinks, and you can see the ratings are a little bit higher. And of course, they have more keywords that they're being found for, and it's bringing them over 678 visits to their website a month. which is quite a lot in comparison to you. If we go back here, we can see that you only have 169 visits. But again, depending on what your goals are, if we look at the keywords they're being found for, we can see that they're having a pretty aggressive campaign. HVAC New Jersey, like I was telling you, on researchers, they're ranking number one. Furnace repair in New Jersey, 250 searches, and that does bring them in 57 visits to their website just for targeting this keyword, and they're ranking number one. So that's the importance, because if we go back here, if you're not in the map section, and if you're not in the top three, you could be missing a lot of potential customers. So to wrap things up, if you like what you hear, if you think we can help you out to start ranking for those keywords so you can get more visits, more customers, uh, our information will be attached to the email, and I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.